Today's problem, oscillation. Oh, it's disappeared. Mind you, it's got blocking distortion as well, which doesn't help. You can hear it coming through. It's the blocking distortion that I initially fixed. I've taken the connect. I've had to undo the work I did. It's like letting the air out, isn't it? Oh man. Annoying thing is, the annoying thing is with that oscillation is that I think it's occurring to the preamp signal. Oh, here it goes, it's back. It's on the little. So if I turn the reverb all the way up, this is where it gets really cool. It should occur to the effects. Let's see if I could. Yeah. So being applied to the preamp signal, and yet when I unplug the input jack socket, so if I tweak the input jack socket, I need to scope the thing. I've got my oscilloscope there. Oscilloscope's not as big as I am, old as I am, but nothing. Meter the tops of the caps and they all appear to be within this normal voltage range. I assume it goes in through there and through. Could be. I have got the service manual schematics at some point. Not. Maybe test points I can use. Turn the reverb down because it's driving me bonkers. The pulses of the instruments seem tend to. It tends to make it go away. Start metering some of these surface mount components, maybe.